So in this video we're going to scrim up. This is your preparation. Got the roller scrim. This is just 5 and tape, 50 metre roll by 50mm. And I've got the Stanley knife, Stanley Pac-Max Stanley knife. I always find that a wider knife gives you less cramp in your hand as you get older. It's just something that happens, and happens to us all. If you can see this on camera, which I think you can, there's your bar's being bored here, and there's a little gap here. So what I'm going to do with this edge is double scrim it. I'm going to put a scrim on the turning angle and a scrim on this angle. So when you do it, pull it out and just put it on as flat as I can. If it doesn't stick, which sometimes that can catch you off guard, it's probably because it's been a bit too cold. That's one of the reasons why it doesn't stick. Another thing that I find important when scrimming up is always cut a little bit shorter on your edges, sort of this end and this end. The reason being is your scrim never wants to go around corners. You just can't do that. It needs to be nice and flat all the way down, so it's all tight. So this scrim in the best roll I've ever had. It's just an old roll that's been knocking about in the toolbox for a while. So I've got some spider scrim. This is from the roll. Let's see how this one goes. But like I said, this is quite cold. It's in December. You've got like a little blue tag on it, your roll. Cut that bit off. This is super sticky scrim. It should be quite good. Same again when you're screwing up. Just make sure you've got a screw around the corners. On the scrim bits that I've just put on, and all I'll do with that roller scrim that I'll do. Because you can put them in the microwave and warm them up. Put them onto the fire and give them some warmth, and it brings the stickiness back to life. And then just to make it sticky. So if we move that go on, I'll finish putting the rest of this scrim on. And the roll up there, the back one. Not sticking at all. But let's put a little bit of scrim off this new roll. It's grey as well, so you can see where I'm putting it. And then we go all over. When you're screwing up as well, it's important not to go right to the end where the lead's going to go. You want to just go where the trim the end, just quite close to it. Usually about 20mm short of the end. And put it off. You can put it off in your hand before you put it up. Just go around, just make sure everything's cut and there's no skims at all. If there's any little bits, little parts of it, parts of there. that and all flat. I can just spot on now. And just make sure everything's screwed up. And just double check all your screws, just make sure that all heads are all flat. You want to peel them, but you don't want to be proud of plasterboard. Not only that, you can make the screw pop. And if you've ever seen a nail pop, it usually happens when the plaster's gone. When you're decorating or changing weather. Or it can happen on the ground floor, you know, when you're walking along the ceiling, the screw heads can pop, or nails. And just make sure that everything's all nice and it's all tidy. Make sure your crank is better than everything else really. Obviously, make sure your plastering's good as well. So I'm just going to scrim off all walls on here. It is something that takes a little bit of knack with screwing up. You'll be surprised when you're doing plastering, everything has to be done quick. You've got a certain limit of time. You've got your plastering setting, your plaster setting, so you don't want to mix up until it's all screwed and prepped right here. And if you're doing a large area, you have to make sure you don't want to have any overlaps. Just make sure that everything's checked. And just generally check all over when you release your board, make sure there's no cracks anywhere, no bits of paper. If it's loose, make sure it's not loose up. There's a little bit of a crack here. Just put that down here. And just have a good look at it, knock on wall, make sure it's solid. This wall's like existing material, so it's quite solid. Reskin coat on this, ready for the people who come in for courses so they can see what my work's like. So just generally check round, make sure it's all sound.